Hey guys, it's Naveen here. Today we're on our way to Ryze Electronics. We're going to be picking up a drone, maybe a DJI Tello or Tello. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. But if we can find something at a comparable price that also has like the stabilization and everything, I think we'll have to consider it. But right now I'm really set on that, so I'll talk to y'all when I get there. So we've arrived at Fry's. I actually arrived about 40 minutes ago because I thought it opened at 9, as that's what Apple Maps told me. Unfortunately, it opens at 10, so I've been waiting here for a while now. Hopefully it'll open up soon and we'll be able to get the drone and look at a few more things. I don't think there's a problem with filming in Fry's. Hopefully not. Yeah, so basically I'll talk to y'all when we get inside. Hey guys, so we're in the drone section now. There's a lot of stuff here. I'm gonna turn around the camera just so y'all can see it, and honestly don't even know where the drone I'm looking for is. Okay, so like basically this whole aisle is just RC stuff, drones and everything. That side is mainly RC stuff. There's some Parrot drones that might be decent, like comparable, but I really am looking for that DJI drone because I tried it yesterday at my uncle's house actually, and it was pretty cool. Actually, this Parrot Mambo does look pretty nice, and it is a little cheaper. I don't know if it has stabilized flight though. That's the only problem. Okay, so it does say stable flight, so I might consider that. It says, hopefully I can focus in on that. It has some grabbers and stuff too, so that might be pretty cool. Let me go ahead and grab that just in case, because it's the only one left. Can't seem to find a DJI drone though. I'll let y'all know if I find it or if I'm just gonna pick this thing up. Yeah. Okay guys, so we were able to find the drone successfully. It was actually more towards the cameras and stuff. So here it is. It's actually smaller than I remember immediately. So we're probably just going to, sorry, there was someone there. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be recording or not. But yeah, we're probably just going to check out. I don't think there's really anything else that I want here other than the mic. So we're going to go ahead and check out, and I'll show you what I got once I get to the car. Hey guys, so we are back home. I'm in the car still. But there was one thing I did want to pick up, was the Zhiyun Smooth Q. If y'all have any experience with that, I guess, gimbal or stabilizer, please let me know in the comments below. I'm really on the fence about getting it. I can probably get it around like $85 just because of how Ryze's promo deals work, plus tax. But yeah, I'm not sure if it's that great of an investment. I have a fluid head tripod at home, and like it has the removable stick, but it really doesn't stabilize the footage. However, I still don't see too much of a use for dropping about $100 on it. So if y'all could let me know what y'all use it for, if it's any good, and that would be a real help. I'm also thinking about the new DJI Osmo, I think. That's around $200. I mean, I've heard it's a lot better than the Smooth Q, but also the Smooth 4 is coming out. So whatever y'all think, please leave it in the comments below. We're gonna go ahead and head inside. I might take a break for a little bit, then go ahead and do the unboxing for y'all. But in the meantime, yeah, I guess I'm just gonna relax.